It's not just about getting strong physically, but also building that mental toughness. Start your journey, learn and understand your body, how it works, what's your diet regimen, work on your core, because that's literally what connects your upper body with your lower body. My favorite workouts would be deadlifts, obviously. That gives me a sense of accomplishment that I can't come close to explaining. Deadlifts definitely has to be on top of the lists for me. I think we should have a broader lens in terms of how we move generally in life. A lot of times we forget that recovery, rest is a vital role in making any progress. Hi everyone, I'm Deepika. I have a corporate job in finance. I am a fitness enthusiast and a content creator. So what started my fitness journey? How did I start my fitness journey? Me feeling weak at a certain point in life where physically I was very weak, as in I did not have the strength to do any daily activities without having to feel like I'm drained out of energy. I used to have a lot of back pain. My diet was very poor. My sleep schedule was very all over the place. And it was actually my mother's decision asking me to join the gym, because she thought me going to the gym would help me feel better about myself, but also, like I said, build strength, not just physically, but also mentally. And to be really honest, it was her decision. And I think that's been the best decision. One of my friends also was there in the initial days of when I started going to the gym. And it does help if anybody's starting their fitness journey to have like a workout buddy to keep you accountable on days that you don't really feel like getting out of the house or going to the gym. I think having a workout buddy or like a workout partner will definitely go a long way, only until you get a hang of it. And it almost becomes the secondary nature where you don't think twice. You already know that you have to make time for yourself to go to the gym, to prioritize your health, not just physically, but also for your mental health. So I mainly focus on strength training, mostly because I enjoy it so much. I also like strength training because it helps me feel strong inside and out. It's not just about getting strong physically, but also building that mental toughness. Other than that, of course, there are numerous benefits of strength training. The main thing, of course, as you all know, would be putting on muscle mass and increasing your bone density. It can help prevent osteoporosis in the long run. Just numerous benefits, as you all are aware. Also because it has helped me, fix my sleep. The quality of sleep I've been getting over the past years due to strength training has just been like, I've seen a drastic change. It helps me, be active throughout the day, be functional and more active just outside the gym. And strength training, with that mindset of strength training inside the gym, focus on the things that you can control and let go of the things that you cannot. Because literally when you're lifting weights, when you're working with weights inside the gym, you focus on one reps at a time. You focus on that thing that's right in front of you. And with that approach, I think you can achieve so much outside the gym as well. So strength training has really helped me in a lot of ways. And these are just a couple of reasons or benefits that I can think of on top of my mind. Focus on your body composition overall, like I said, as opposed to just obsessing over pot reduction, fat reduction from like a specific area in your body. Because for women, especially due to childbirth, we do tend to we have a lot of water retention and comparatively higher body fat percentage than men, which is completely fine. But just focus on just trying to reduce your body fat percentage overall and increasing muscle mass through weight training constantly, improving your quality of sleep, improving your diet, nutrition, understanding your body, being patient with yourself goes a long way. I think this factor gets overlooked a lot, especially because women are constantly told that there's something wrong with the body. They have to look a certain type of way, to feel a certain type of way. And I just think really get comfortable in your skin, appreciate where you are in the journey while also wanting to improve, and set higher and bigger goals for yourselves. So it's very important to be content with where you are while still wanting to do more and achieve more for yourself. So that's just been a very big mindset shift for me personally.